So these are my Unit 4 energy test corrections by Leah Childers. So the first question that I missed says, which law states that in order to get high quality, you must use high quality energy? It's talking about energy. This was in the intro to energy PowerPoint, and the correct answer is the first law of thermodynamics. This graphic briefly describes how the first law of thermodynamics works. The second question I missed says, which is not true about reducing energy waste? The correct answer is E. It cannot be done with current technology. I originally had this on my test, but then I changed it last minute thinking it was wrong. The next question was question 6, and it says, all of the following ways that the United States unnecessarily wastes energy, except the correct answer is C. It says making useful energy available to us. This makes sense because we need useful energy to function. Question 9 states that which of the following is not an advantage to using conventional crude oil as an energy source? The correct answer is that the dependency on foreign oil. This makes sense because that is not an advantage. Here is a graphic explaining what I just said. As you can see, the blue area on the graph represents the United States. We depend on oil a lot. I didn't really understand question 16, but it states electricity is produced by a steam turbine in a nuclear reactor. It's asking how the electricity is made, and it's made by the radioactive fuel boiling the water. I also didn't understand question 28. It was talking about corn and how we are subsidizing it in the United States. The reason why we're subsidizing it is because it has a low net energy yield. Because you have to do multiple steps to get the energy. It's not just drilling for it. The next question that I missed was question 29, and it says non-renewable source. Which non-renewable energy source may believe that it will bridge the gap between fossil fuels and renewable energy source? The correct answer is natural gas, and I found this in the natural gas PowerPoint. One of the last questions that I missed was about CAFE standards and the United States. I didn't realize that choice C was also a choice that was there, and now I see that and I realize that A and C are correct because they are both low. In the US, they are not as high, and they're obviously lower in Japan. Cogeneration is defined by using two forms of energy two different types of energy sources to make one solid form of energy. This would make sense when they're talking about how to heat a dorm room. This diagram shows how cogeneration works. I found this off of a college website. I don't remember which it was, but it explained why they use it too. Question 50 was talking about the disadvantages of hydrofracking, and all are disadvantages except for it would increase the supply of natural gas. That kind of is logic. I think I was reading too quickly on that one, so I think that's why I missed it.